Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. Today, we're talking about why Ilus skyrocketed 25% yesterday and GMBL rescheduling their earnings call. Ilus confirmed that it has now recently signed 3 funding deals for a total of $15 million, putting the company in a strong cash position to execute its current plans and move on to its next phase of opportunities. Following an extensive period of thorough due diligence conducted by the funders, Ilus secured $15 million of funding from a syndicate of 3 fund/family offices who are typically focused on the funding of high-growth technology companies. The 3 companies are RB Capital, Discover Fund, and Luki Ventures. I apologize if I mispronounced any of those names. No dilution is taking place for the funding, which is secured through fully repayable 1-year term non-toxic promissory notes. The funding also includes a cash warrant for a further $6 million should Ilus require it. Besides funding expansion and operations, some of the funding will also be used to remove the GPL Ventures LLC debt and completely remove them as a note holder from the company. Although non-toxic, the Ilus management understands that shareholders would have more comfort knowing that this debt is removed. Ilus reached an agreement with GPL to settle this debt on suitable terms, and this debt is being settled out of the current phase of funding. The CEO of Ilus, Nick Link, commented, "This round of funding is important primarily because it will drive forward our overall aggressive growth and acquisition strategy, and because of its significance in the removal of the GPL debt. We remain focused on protecting the best interests of our shareholders and our long-term sustainable growth." 2 things I love to hear: the best interests of our shareholders and long-term sustainable growth. Ilus also confirmed that the first phase of its Southeastern Europe deal is expected to close in the next week or 2, with the company due to receive substantial subsidies within the next 6 to 8 weeks. Ilus will also be moving into a very large facility provided by the government. This facility will be used to boost production of Ilus commercial electric vehicle range and for research and development, particularly with its brand new 2023 EV range. Ilus will take pre-orders for the new vehicles from May this year and aims to take orders for an excess of 500 vehicles between then and December 2022. This week, the Ilus board is in its quarterly strategy meetings, where it's planning for its next phase of rollouts and implementations, while streamlining and approving its next short list of acquisitions to pursue. Ilus is also wrapping up its paperwork on 2 previously mentioned deals in the coming days or weeks, which means it will have concluded its first phase of deals for complete manufacturing and distribution capabilities. With news like that, I can see why the stock ran up 25%. But even at these levels, Ilus is still beat down. Only at 14 cents, especially after the 25% run, you could still buy Ilus at a discount. So I might look into buying more Ilus, as I already have been over the past couple days and weeks, slowly increasing my Ilus position. Now let's also talk about GMBL real quick. They delayed their earnings to February 22nd. Why? Not too sure, but there's not much I can say on the company. Right now, I'm just waiting for something to happen because, honestly, I'm down tremendously on that position. Let me know what you think below about Ilus and GMBL. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.